Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make a double treble crochet stitch. Start with the foundation chain. You can learn how to do it by watching my other videos from the beginners series. Start by adding another 5 chain stitches to your foundation chain. Now yarn over 3 times. Wrap the yarn from the back to front on the hook 3 times. Find the 6th chain stitch counting from the hook. Insert the hook in the stitch, but keep the yarn overs in check so that they don't unravel. Pull up a loop. You should have 5 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through the first 2. You should have 4 loops on the hook now. Continue working 2 by 2. Grab the yarn again and pull through another 2. Now you have 3 loops. Pull through another 2 so that you have 2 loops. Now pull through the last 2 so that you are left with just 1 working loop. This is your first double treble crochet stitch. Continue in the same way. Yarn over 3 times, insert the hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop. You've got 5 loops on the hook. Work them 2 by 2 until you are left with just 1. Now make 1 double treble crochet stitch in each chain of the foundation, including the slip knot. Great! Now let's move to the next row. Again, we need additional 5 chain stitches to start because it's our turning chain. Now turn the work over. The turning chain works as a stitch in all 12 stitches. Keep it in mind to get your stitch count right. When you find the right stitch, yarn over 3 times and start working. You already know how to do it. When you reach the end of the row, remember that the turning chain also counts as a stitch. Find the chain stitch right next to the regular stitch and work the last double treble there. This stitch is very tall, so keeping the right tension might be challenging. Practice holding the yarn overs with your fingers while pulling through and adjusting the tension with your non-dominant hand. That's all! Now you know how to make a double treble crochet stitch. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!